Hello, my dear friend, baby or kids. Today I asked you very special moral story. What is the story? The story is a farmer and his three sons. Once upon a time, there lived a farmer in a village. He had three sons. They were always quarrel among themselves. Therefore, the farmer was very unhappy. One day he hit upon a plan. He called all his sons together and swung a bundle of sticks, asked each other of them to break it. Each of them tried to break the bundle, but none could. Sussed. Then the farmer untied the bundle and asked each of them to break a stick. Now all of them could break it quite easily. Then the farmer advised his son not to quarrel among themselves and to live together. His son understood this wise of advice and never quarreled. Thereafter, the story moral unity is strange. This is my channel. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. And look it at anytime, all the time. Thank you.